Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're tired of making peanuts on apps that pay you a few naira for hours of work, you've probably heard a buzz about user testing. This is one of those secret online jobs that pays in real dollars, sometimes $10 to $60 for just one test. The big question for us here in Nigeria is it real? Is it worth your time? And most importantly, can you actually get paid? In this video, I'm going to take a deep dive into everything you need to know about user testing. I'll walk you through the entire process and give you the honest truth, so you can decide if this is the high-paying side hustle you've been looking for. So, what is user testing? It's a platform where you get paid to test websites and apps. Companies pay user testing to get real people's opinions on their products. Your job is to complete a set of tasks on a website or app while speaking your thoughts out loud. A typical test might last 10 to 20 minutes, and for that, you get paid around $10. There are also live interviews that can pay a lot more. The great thing is you don't need any special skills or experience, you just need to share your honest opinion. Now, for the part everyone asks about, how do you get started? I've researched the entire process, and it's pretty straightforward, but you need to pay attention to these key steps. 1. The application. You'll start by providing your email and answering a few basic demographic questions. User testing is a global platform, and based on what I've found, they do accept participants from Nigeria. 2. The qualification test. This is the most crucial part. The qualification test is a sample test that you must pass to be accepted. My research shows the key to passing is to think out loud and speak clearly. Don't just click through. Explain your thought process. Talk about what you see, what you expect to see, and if you encounter any problems. This is what they're paying for. 3. Technical requirements. You will need a reliable computer or a mobile device, a good internet connection, and a microphone. A quiet environment is also essential to avoid background noise. Okay, let's talk about the biggest hurdle for us in Nigeria: getting paid. According to my research on UserTesting's official site and other forums, all payments are sent via PayPal. This means having a verified PayPal account that can receive payments is absolutely non-negotiable. If you already have a verified PayPal account, that's great. You can link it directly. If you don't, this is where you need to do your research. You'll need to figure out how to create and verify a PayPal account in Nigeria that can receive money. My research shows that other platforms like Gray.co or GeekPay might be an option to consider for receiving international payments. This is a vital step you can't skip. Once a test is approved, payment is typically sent 14 days later, and you can track your earnings right from your dashboard. So, after all the research, is user testing a viable opportunity for Nigerians? Here's my honest verdict. Yes, it is. The pay-per-test is a massive upgrade from other online earning apps, and the work is genuine. It's a great side hustle that can actually make you a significant amount of money in dollars. However, it's not a free-for-all. The key challenges are passing the qualification test and having a working PayPal account. This isn't a platform for those looking for a quick, no-effort fix. But for those of you who are willing to put in the time to set up your account correctly, practice thinking out loud, and focus on quality, the rewards are worth it. Have you tried user testing, or are you planning to? Drop a comment below with your experience or any questions you might have. If this video gave you the information you needed, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews on online earning opportunities in Nigeria. I'm dedicated to finding the best ways for you to make money online, so you don't have to waste your time and data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.